Mr. Depp, if you could please take a look at the stack of articles in front of you.
Yes, it's a stack of hit pieces generated by Miss Heard's publicity team.
This is an article from November 15th, 2014, entitled, "Apparently Drunk Johnny Depp Cut Off at Hollywood Film Awards Ceremony," correct?
That's what it says, yes, sir.
And the next article is an article from May 7th, 2016. It's entitled, "Johnny Depp, Friends and Family Seriously Concerned About Him. Here's Why."
Yes, how did they know?
An article entitled, "Where Did It All Go Wrong for Johnny Depp? After a string of flops and a ton of bad press, Johnny Depp's star power looks as wobbly as Jack Sparrow on a plank." Did I read that right?
You read that very well.
Did I read that right?
You certainly did, Mr. Rottenborn.
Did I read that right?
Yes, you did.
Did I read that right?
You continued to read them right, yes.
And you were drinking pretty heavily.
Were you there?
It's my question to you, sir.
No, I wasn't drinking that heavily. It's a definition of what you define as heavily, sir.
You poured yourself a mega pint of red wine, correct?
A mega pint? I poured myself a large glass of wine. I thought it necessary. Every day I would come home and there would be a glass of whiskey waiting for me.
And you would sometimes drink whiskey in the mornings too, right?
Isn't happy hour any time? I once gave Marilyn Manson a pill so that he would stop talking so much. So, yes, I did assault a couple of cabinets, but I did not touch Miss Heard.
What was the photograph of Mr. Depp?
It was a photograph of the bed, our bed, and on my side of the bed was human fecal matter. So I understood why it wasn't a good time to go down there. It was so outside, it was so bizarre and so grotesque that I could only laugh.
And then you went in the house and saw Mr. Depp in the foyer, correct?
Yes, correct.
And Mr. Depp was trying to urinate in the foyer, wasn't he?
No.
Mr. Depp had his penis out of his
Objection.
pants, didn't he?
I think I would remember
Relevance.
seeing Mr. Depp's penis.
I'll allow. Next question.
And you were trying to get Mr. Depp out of the house, correct?